meantime, take a look at those pictures right now that are coming in. All right, what is now being said that these are pictures coming in from the Noida International Airport. The first flight validation test today at the Jewar Airport that is taking place. As far as the images that are now coming in, of course, if it becomes operational very soon, we are looking at the airport services that already, when it comes to Delhiites or people who are living close to NCR, will have now additional facilities to catch flights. As far as the Noida Airport is conducting its first flight validation test today. And this test that we are looking at will be conducted by AAI's technical team in collaboration with the Noida International Airport staff. So on your screens, this is marking a major milestone ahead of its commercial operations that are scheduled to open in April 2025 next year. And a flight from Delhi's IGI will be reaching the airport site. This is around, as we are looking at technical assessment that will be overseen by AAI or the Airports Authority of India. And this flight that will remain in the air for 1.5 hours above Noida Airport to record all the requisite data. And this data that will be critical for flight validation and key step in ensuring the airport's readiness to handle passenger services. All right, Rishabh, the trial services that has been taking place, of course, the pictures that are now coming in from the Noida Airport itself, one of the biggest airports that we are looking at as far as the trial tests that are taking place before its grand opening next year. Well, that is the Noida Airport that you're looking at, the pictures that have been coming in. This is the first flight, the trial that was initially slated to have when it comes to involving landing and takeoff from the airport's 3.9-kilometer operational run, which will assess systems like the runway performance, the airspace coordination, communication protocols, and emergency response readiness. So this is going to be a big change as far as flight services are concerned, even when it comes to the upgraded airport services that we are looking at for the people, Rishabh, as the first test flight that is now landed in Noida's Jewar Airport.
Well, definitely, Jewar International Airport is something that all eyes are desperately waiting for. It will not only declutter and bring the pressure on Indira Gandhi International Airport. It will also support the Meerut division of Western UP when it comes to international travel, and for that matter, air connectivity. Yes, we have airport in Agra, but that airport hasn't done much for people in Meerut, Aligarh, or other parts of the Western UP, be it Saharanpur, Rampur, Bilaspur. All these areas, all of them are looking with bated breath at the Jewar Airport. Now the technical assessment is being done, which is a further movement in the operationalization of Jewar Airport, which as per government data will be one of the state-of-art airport in India, and hence this is a major step that is gone ahead, a very positive step coming in from Jewar Airport, where the technical assessment of runway has begun.
Absolutely, because right after the completion of this test, the aerodrome license that will be issued by the DGCA, and only then we are looking at, Rishabh, how the airport then after will be ready for commercial operations. Of course, it will lighten the burden when it comes to one of the most busiest airports, which is Delhi's IGI Airport, once the commercial services begin at the Noida International Airport, which aims to start its operations in April next year. But today, it will depend on the successful completion on the calibration of instrument leading to the precision approach path indicator. So all of these tests that are now being looking at, if the airport is ready for commercial operations by next year, Rishabh, it will lighten the burden of Delhi's IGI Airport.
Well, definitely, and it's not only the passenger burden that is on IGI Airport, but also the cargo burden that IGI Airport has to go through, given that it is one of the only major airport in this region which has cargo facility. With Jewar operationalized, the cargo facility of Jewar, which is, for that matter, at par IGI Airport, will definitely give a breather to IGI Airport, and we have seen that how at times the pressure on IGI airport, and especially during the festive seasons, the pressure on IGI airport it's tremendous, and this will further help IGI airport authorities to de-stress themselves as well. And with Jewar airport operationalized, and if it is operationalized by April next year, the commercial flights begin from there. It will be a big boost for air connectivity in Western UP. Ghaziabad or Noida, which has to travel, the passengers will have today has to travel around 40 to 45 kilometers, in some cases from Greater Noida around 60 kilometers to reach airport. It will be a big boost for them when it comes to air connectivity. Passengers in Western UP, be it Meerut division or for that matter Saharanpur division, both these divisions will have an airport in their division, and that will help not only the passenger connectivity but even the trade and commerce in the area, and that is something that will be a big boost. So definitely the trial run has begun. The operationalization will happen in April is what we are given to understand.
Right.
Once the required licenses are provided by DGCA.
So water salute
and
also
aerodrome
been given to
licenses.
the first flight test there. Nikhil is with us right now. Nikhil, I think it was just a year back when Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who had laid the foundation stone of this 30,000 crore Jewar International Airport in Gautam Budh Nagar district of Uttar Pradesh, and he had said that this airport will play a major role in giving that flip to the fastest development of Indian aviation sector, as well as providing a roadmap of the domestic airlines to purchase hundreds of newer aircrafts as well. And today, exactly almost a year later, we're looking at the first flight test run that has now been conducted. And this test that has been conducted on part of AAI's technical team in collaboration with the Noida International Airport staff. So the water salute that has now been given, Nikhil, this is as far as what the Prime Minister had said last year, and almost a year later, we are looking at the successful test flight that has been conducted.
मैं शुरू करूं विशु पे जाना फ्रेम पे मेरे पास So Amita, currently we are reporting from the site of the Noida airport where the validation flight has just been conducted here, and this is the plane which is of the Indigo airline, and this is A320 which has successfully carried out this entire validation process, so to say. Now this is one of the important milestone in context to the operations as far as the Noida airport is concerned, and as per the details, the idea is to check about the capability and the capacity as well of 3,900 meter long runway, the equipments as well, the radars, the navigating system, to see if they are functioning properly or not. At the same time, the idea is also to check about the functioning of the aircraft with that of the ATC as well. So this is the successful conduction of the overall validation process which has just been carried out. Now this is something which has been carried out in presence of the officers from the Airport Authority of India, from BCAS, from DGCA, and also the officials are also present here from the side of the Indigo and ATC as well. And once the successful validation is done from the side of all the stakeholders, then the Noida airport will become the capable to file for the aerodrome license with that of the DGCA, which clearly would mean that the airport and the runway is very much capable to start its commercial operation. So this is something which is currently being reported from the runway of the Noida International Airport. On the another side, we are showing you the picture of the terminal building as well, where the